Okay, here's Sophie showing us her dance. Do it. Do you want to sing I Believe? You gotta come back, Boo. You gotta come back. Matthew's trying to sing with you. Stay in this room, Soph, and dance. Now what's the other song from the movie? The first one. Two voices. Moo's singing too. Matthew, are you singing? Two voices, one song.